What's up, everyone? This is Pavel, founder of FuseBase, and today I want to show you how you can instantly capture real bot-free meetings from Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, or Zoom and unlock full conversational intelligence, not just basic meeting notes. Conversational intelligence is very expensive. This is example one of the average price from one of those solutions on the market, tens of thousands of dollars. With FuseBase, I'll show you how to unlock advanced conversational intelligence and so much more at a price built to scale from individuals to entire organizations. I will show you two use cases. First, the simple one where you record bot-free videos from your meetings. You're going to get the videos uploaded to your internal library in one of your workspaces. If needed, you can also add additional files to your videos and instructions. Video will be automatically transcribed, and also you can use AI to ask questions. After that, you can generate a link to share with the password if needed. And once you have this public link, you can send to your team, clients, and partners. Besides that, FuseBase allows you to create a full white label solution. You can connect FuseBase to your domain name, remove FuseBase branding. This is literally the fastest way to record meetings, attach files, and share. The second use case is even more robust. This is where you start enabling conversational intelligence. First, you can create your own prompt library for various departments and teams. You can make prompts as large and detailed as you need. After that, you can start building a library of your AI agents. You can have one, few, or as many as you need. Once you have them, you can enlarge in your gallery or inside your transcripts as a sidekick. You can also use the FuseBase browser extension as a smart sidekick, bringing your agents into your CRM, inbox, or any workflow outside FuseBase. And the main benefit of FuseBase is you can process all those insights, not from the one transcript, but actually from the volume of the transcripts. So you can build conversational intelligence drawn from multiple companies or individual users all working simultaneously. And that's not it. You can also build automations and run them on a regular schedule, combining multiple AI agents to generate reports inside FuseBase or send updates directly to Slack, email, or any other channel you use. The key difference between FuseBase and other solutions, it's fast, effortless, and lets you build real conversational intelligence, all at a fair and accessible price. Okay, so how do you start? First, you need to install our FuseBase Pro extension, and then you need to pin to your toolbar. Once you have that, you can start recording your meetings. You need to go to one of the meetings, or you can launch it during the meeting, and you click Record Meeting Bot-Free. There is one very important step. When you start your session, you need to select Entire Screen or Window and activate System Sound. Super important. Without this option, it will not record another party. Then you click Share, and that's it. Once you stop recording, you will get to one of these pages. You can click Transcribe Ask AI, or it will be transcribed automatically in a couple of minutes. Then you click Share, and you get the shareable link if needed. What's great about FuseBase, it also allows you to create quick videos like in Loom extension. The difference is when you stop recording, you instantly will get a shared link, so you don't need to manually share it. Besides that, you can record quick audio notes, take a full-page screenshots, upload files, and share them. The main benefit of using this extension is that all of the content will be indexed by AI, and even images will be searchable and processed. If you upload documents, these documents also will be accessible by search and AI agents. Okay, my friends, that's it. Just to summarize, we have two primary options for you. First, you can record bot-free meetings in Google Meets, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom. Add files if needed and quickly share. The second option is where you unlock true conversational intelligence. Unlike most tools that analyze just one transcript at a time, FuseBase processes insights across an entire collection of conversations. You can build your agents, connect automations, and generate reports that reflect patterns and trends from many transcripts, not just a single call. And don't forget to install FuseBase Assistant, a browser extension that acts as your sidekick, giving you access to your agents anywhere inside your CRM, email, ERP, and more.